When the nerve of your tooth becomes infected, a successful root canal treatment lets you keep the tooth rather than having to pull it out. Keeping your tooth helps to prevent your other teeth from drifting out of line and causing jaw problems. Saving a natural tooth avoids having to replace it with an artificial tooth. Root canal treatment, also known as endodontic treatment, is the process of removing infected, injured or dead pulp from your tooth. The space inside the hard layers of each tooth is called the root canal system. The system is filled with soft dental pulp made up of nerves and blood vessels that help your tooth grow and develop. When bacteria enters your tooth through deep cavities, cracks or flawed fillings, your tooth can become abscessed. An abscessed tooth is a tooth with an infection in the pulp. If pulp becomes infected, it needs to be removed. An abscessed tooth may cause pain and or swelling. Your dentist may notice the infection from a dental X-ray or from changes with the tooth. If left untreated, an abscessed tooth can cause serious oral health problems. How is a root canal treatment done? The dentist gives you a local anesthetic. To protect your tooth from bacteria in your saliva during the treatment, the dentist places a rubber dam around the tooth being treated. The dentist makes an opening in the tooth to reach the root canal system and the damaged pulp. Using very fine dental instrument, the dentist removes the pulp by cleaning and enlarging the root canal system. After the canal has been cleaned, the dentist fills and seals the canal. The opening of the tooth is then sealed with either a temporary or permanent filling. Most root canal treatments are successful, but in some rare cases, a second root canal treatment is needed. This is called retreatment. When retreating a tooth, the root canal filling material is taken out and the canal is recleaned, reshaped and refilled. If you have questions or concerns about root canal treatment, please contact your dentist. We take a pledge, we will treat you well.